Hey guys, today we're talking about step plots in Matplotlib. Before we start this tutorial, you have to have Matplotlib and NumPy installed on your system. Then we can now import Matplotlib.pyplots as plt and also import NumPy as np. Then I define my style I want to use in plotting because it's more convenient for me. Then after that we make data. Then I'm using this np.random.seed just to show that all my random initializations will be constant when I run my cell in the Jupyter notebook. And also this tree doesn't matter, you can have any number there, you just like that. So after that we have to make our x and y variables, basically anything, but I chose this one, x 0.5 plus np of a range of 8. Then y is np.random.uniform from 2 to 7 and length of x. Then after that we have to have our plot. Plotting, we have plt.subplot, which is returning two values of figure and ax. Then we are plotting on our ax. We have to do ax.step, making our step plots of x and y, and our line width should be 2.5. And ax.set, x limit, y ticks, y limit, and x ticks. Then plt.show. And then this graph gives us something like this. So our line width, which is our width of the line, is 2.5. You can also alternate it and make it 5 if you want. So doing that, or run it again, it gives us something bigger. So our line width has changed. You can also specify the line color to be equals to pink, and if you run that again, you see that pink is our line color. Then the x limit and x ticks are basically, for x limit is those the limit of our x from 0 to 8. Then x ticks what we're going to label our x on. So our labeling on the x from a range of 1 to 8 exclusively, meaning that 8 is not included in our labeling. Then 70 for y limit and y ticks. Y limit is the limit of our y of the graph, and also y ticks the range of our labeling of our y's. So that's it guys, this is how you have a step plot in Matplotlib. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.